Oh, don't spill it.
That's half your rescue drink gone. That's gross. The one is like, are
they frying it?
They fry it up, man.
Oh, they fry it up. Oh, you got some flavor on it, bro.
They fry it.
Looks like a dung beetle,
Oh,
man.
they're gonna put some butter on it or something?
Yeah, they
Bon
sprinkle
appetit.
butter. Oh, it tastes like fried butter, but then you get some guts.
This is Living in Thailand Extreme Edition. I have no marketable skills, so this is what I do.
Nice. This is fucking disgusting.
Man, that's a big fucking bug, bro.
Dude. You gotta eat the whole thing.
I don't know how you do the whole thing.
It's disgusting. I don't even know.
Andrew, bug.
Can we get Colin to eat a bug?
Even just a small bug.
Did I eat enough?
Nah, he wouldn't do it.
I handled it.
He knows
Bro.
better.
Oh shit, it's still moving?
You got half a bug to go.
Eat the whole thing.
Oh my God.
One big bite.
Warrior.
Bro, it's not nice.
This part of the bug's not that bad.
What does it taste like? You're
But you-
really
yeah.
chewing it. Like you're not just swallowing it. You're really tasting
It's
it.
crunchy.
But
It's actually
soon,
not bad, actually.
soon you're gonna get to the butthole part.
Give
The
us,
other part was worse.
give us what it tastes like. Ooh.
It's
Like-
crunchy.
You have the arse end now,
Crunchy.
cock and balls.
It's got some type of Asian like herb or whatever on it.
Can you taste cockroach?
Alright, that mojito just got the party started.
What mojito? You had a mojito? Oh.
You're an MMA fighter.
Now just finish them legs off.
You're an MMA
You're an
fighter.
animal.
Get
No,
your
no.
stuff together.
I'm an unemployed contractor.
Feel like, come on, bro. Man up, Leone brothers, and eat some bugs.
If
Look at your son.
Floyd's
Get your
2-year-old
son
son Colin does it with us, I'll do it.
This kid,
Colin does it. Colin,
Colin,
what do you got on your nose?
Colin, you gonna eat some bugs? He's got food on his nose.
Want some
No.
too?
I need another drink though to cringe the flavor out of that down in my mouth.
You're a bad man.